is put the CPU into the motherboard. And this is nerve-wracking because they were very expensive. And it goes, not lined up. Now it's lined up. Yeah. Push that down. And there we go. I think we did it. Wait, what's step 2? I'll watch some more of this video and see what step 2 is. Right, so that should just push in there. Yeah. Yeah. I was afraid to push that too hard. And then the other one goes in. Like so. That's it. Hey, nice. Next step. Now, this bit we do need tools for. You're probably wondering, why is he using a big dirty builder's screwdriver? Well, that's because I am a big dirty builder, and this is the screwdriver I have. So for the SSD, we're taking off the heat shield. Lovely. And the SSD we're going for is the Samsung 990 Pro. Yeah, that's scary. So that's what the tiny little screw was for in the bag then. Okay. So that's gonna go in there. That's gonna sit down into that. No. Oh yeah, you have to give it a little push. And that goes down. And then there is a tiny little screw in a bag. And my big fat builder screwdriver is gonna be too big and fat for that tiny little screw. So if you're using the NZXT B650E motherboard, bear in mind you'll need a tiny screwdriver. Right. Do not do this at home. I don't have a tiny screwdriver, so I'm not using the tip of a knife. Again, don't do this at home. This is probably a terrible idea. There's going to be people screaming at the tellies looking at this, but I don't have a tiny screwdriver. And my thumbs are too big to hold this screw, like seriously.
Many hours later.
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!